Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Salam barakatuh.
Question is, at the grave, when you buried somebody, can you do or can you read Surah Al-Baqarah on each side when he's been buried? Is this
When
from
he's
the...
buried, to do Surah Al-Baqarah after he's buried or while he's buried?
Yeah, two people doing it opposite.
So when they bury the person, while they're burying him, reciting Surah Al-Baqarah?
No, not while they're buried. While all the burial has been taking place, it's been done and everything. At the end.
Okay, well, the Prophet, this is the opposite what the Prophet had said. Opposite, totally opposite. Prophet he said, لا تتخذوا بيوتكم قبورا. Don't take your houses as to be graveyard and recite Surah Al-Baqarah. So what does that mean? That means do not recite Surah Al-Baqarah in the graveyard, because he said do not take your houses as graveyards, because graveyards there is no Surah Al-Baqarah, there is no recitation of the Quran, and recite Surah Al-Baqarah. Another hadith, وَاجْعَلُوا مِنْ صَلَاتِكُمْ فِيهَا, and pray in it, because you don't pray in the cemetery, you pray in the house. You don't recite Quran in the cemetery, you recite in the house. So all of this to be bid'ah, ya Ubaid. And I'm going to go to Akash